So I received your question. It tells you use the law of sines to solve the triangle. I don't think we have the case. We have two solutions since A is bigger than B. So we're just going to have one solution here. We got to find these values. I always like to start with a picture here. You know, label my triangle A, B, C. Capital letters are the angles, or then lowercase letters are opposite the capital letters. So we're given A 78.9 degrees, so that goes here. Lowercase a, which is across from that, is 10.5. We're given lowercase b is 9.1. So we can use the law of sines on this since we know an angle and the side opposite. You know, if I mark through here, we know this angle and the side opposite, and so we know this side we can find angle B here. You know, knowing we have is angle B. I went ahead and started it here using the law of sines. Sine of B over its opposite side, sine of B over the opposite side would equal sine of 78.9 over its opposite side. So this is a setup. I noticed you've got in your problem a 9.4. I don't know whether you're working a different problem or what, but this problem has 9.1. Now you just solve this for B, and so the sine of B, you multiply each side by 9.1, and would equal the sine of 78.9 over 10.5. And I put this in my calculator already. Let's see, what did I get? I get 0.8505. Then I do inverse sine of that, and I get 58.3 degrees. So that would be for this part here. C's real easy. If you know, we now know two angles. We know angle A and angle B. To find angle C, we just take those two angles from 180. So angle C would be 180 minus the 58.3 minus the 78.9. So C would be 42.8 degrees. So I've got another part of this. The only thing left to find is this side C here. Well, I know this angle here. So I know this angle, and I have this ratio here that's originally given, so I can find the side. So I need to use law of sines again. So I'll move this all up a little bit. There we go. So if I use law of sines, it would be what? C over sine of 42.8 equals, let's see, 10.5 over sine of 78.9. So if I look at the figure here, I'm saying this angle C here, this side over the sine of that angle, which I have, will equal this side here over the sine of that angle, which was given. Okay, now you just solve that for C, and so C would be the sine of 42.8 times 10.5 over the sine of 78.9. And this is all in degrees. Now, let's see, I punched that in my calculator. 7.3. 7.3. Hope this helps.